Hello Mustang Juniors, my name is Mr. Capitas and I am your Career Exploration and Internship Coordinator. Registration for senior year has arrived and I am here to tell you about an exciting opportunity available for you next year, Dual Credit Student Internship. Dual Credit Student Internship is a one-semester course that combines the classroom and the real world. It's an immersive job shadow experience that gives you just that, experience, which is often a factor in determining post-high school success. Our internship class has leveled up high school and shaped the careers of hundreds of high school seniors. Let's hear from some of our past interns right now.
Students should enroll into the internship experience because it opens different doors for them. It not only does it build them connections, but it gives them inside intel on the different careers that they want to go into.
I really liked being exposed to the professional side of things.
I think a student should take the internship class because it's an amazing opportunity to learn from a ton of different people. It's really just about taking everything in and taking every opportunity that's given to you.
Definitely grew in confidence and I definitely grew in humor. I got to know each mentor and their business. I think it's one of the best courses we have at Mundelein.
When you learn things in a classroom, it's really hard to be able to understand where you're going to apply different things, and to see it in action is above and beyond so much more helpful.
It's not just one thing that you're going to learn, it's multiple things that are going to help you throughout your life.
As you can see, we've hosted student internships in a wide variety of fields, including medicine, law, engineering, and entrepreneurship, and there could be an opportunity waiting just for you. This is a great class to consider for your senior year, so ask your counselor or see me in the College and Career Resource Center for more details. Your epic future awaits, Mustangs, and an internship experience could be just what you need to get your career to take off.